Hi guys, so in this session we are going to learn how to insert values inside the tables. Okay, so let's go to the connection that we had created and where we already have our database. So we remember that we had already created a database called company XYZ in our previous session. Now we are going to insert the values inside that database where we have our table as well. Just define the command use company XYZ, which is our database, such that whatever operations we are going to do now will be done inside this particular database only. Okay, so next is, let's see what all tables were there. Just give the command as show tables. It will give us the list of all the tables that are there inside this particular database. Okay, so we have only one table that we had created, employee details underscore 2. Let's see what all columns were there now, or what all values are already there inside this particular table. Select tar from employee details underscore 2 semicolon. Okay, now just run this command and you can see this is blank. So now let's see how to insert the values inside this particular table. Okay, so just mention here insert into, then table name, that is employee details underscore 2. We want to insert the values, so give here values and the values that we actually want to insert. First is employee ID. Let's say the employee ID would be 1. Employee name is, let's say, Jack. It should be inside inverted commas because it is a character data type that we had already defined. Next is employee department. Let's say it is product. Then we have employee location. Let's say it is Pune. Okay. And let's say you want to insert one more record. Okay. So just put here comma and give another value as well. Let's say the employee ID is 2. The name is Peter. Next is we want to give the location, give the employee department. Let's say the value is HR. Next is, let's say, the location is, let's say, Delhi. Okay. Now put semicolon and run this particular command also. Now the values will be inserted inside this. So you see here 2 rows affected because we had inserted two records. Okay. Let's see what all values were inserted. Just run this command, select all from employee details, and you will get the values that we had inserted. So you can see all the values are already there now. So this is how you insert the values inside a particular table. Thank you.